So the first one is navette de Provence, which are like typical biscuits from south of France, and like you can enjoy it with like tea, coffee, or like milk. It's something we used to eat at the end of our meal, like after dessert with coffee. So this is the first one. The second one is this one, confit de canard, which is duck legs that we cook into duck fat during hours and hours. So you have two options if you want to eat it. You can put it into the oven or just put it into a pan, and you can eat like with mashed potatoes, or like just like potatoes that you sliced into small square, and then you made it like a bit fried in a pan. So this is really typical from southwest France. Another dishes which is also famous from south of France is foie gras. So you have one box of foie gras, which is also originally from southwest France, as the duck legs, because we used to cook all the part of the duck during the process. So you have some foie gras you can eat on some toasted bread, but it's a cold dish, so you can only eat like cold with some bread. Then also from south west France, cassoulet de canard, which is like beans cooked with duck legs, also with a bit of duck fat. So you can just also like put it into the oven. You open the door, the box of course, and put it into the oven, or you can put it into microwave also. But the best way to cook it is to cook it in a pan. Like make sure that the fire is at the like really low, and then you can cook it during like half an hour, and it will be better to eat that. I have another one, which is pâté au piment d'Espelette, which is pâté is kind of like meat, like usually from pork, which is cooked in a plate, and there is some chili, a really famous one from South France, Espelette chili, and so it's a cold dish also. You must eat it on a bread slice that you can toast it, and it will be like really good. I have two other salted dishes. The first one is tapenade. Tapenade is typical from Provence. When we produce the olive oil, we used to keep the olive waste, and then we mix it and we cook it to produce the tapenade. So tapenade is olive based, and so it's called dishes also. It's more for something like appetizer, so you can spread it on some bread. It's really typical from Provence. Another one, which is also typical from Provence, is caviar d'aubergine, which is like mashed eggplants, the white version that we make a mash, and then like we cook it, and it's also something as appetizer, so you can spread it on some bread to eat there. And to finish, also typical from Provence, which are calisson. Calisson, it's kind of candy made with melon and almond paste. They mix it and they cook it. So it's really typical from my city, Aix-en-Provence, and like as the first biscuits I showed you, you can eat with coffee and tea. So that's it, and I hope you can enjoy French food.